Do you think you're missing something that you need in order to start a cleaning business? Well, in this video, I'm going to bust the myths that you may have about what you think you need to start a cleaning business versus what you actually do need. I'm Moragne-Morris. Welcome to my video today. We are going to talk about the misconceptions that you may have about what you need to actually start a cleaning business. The first myth that you may have in your head is that you need a lot of startup cash. You do not need a lot of cash to start a cleaning business. It's actually one of the few businesses that needs very, very, very little cash to start. What you need is a strong body, capable arms, and a means of transportation, and that can even be a bus. You do not have to have a car to start a cleaning business. You just need to be able to have transportation to get from point A to point B. In my cleaning course, Cleaning Hustle, I actually go over the steps that you need to start the cleaning business, step by step, and to do it with $0. Yes, I said $0. You can start a cleaning business from $0 up to $35. I've done it. I've done it 2 different times in 2 different states, so I know it's possible. I'm not just blowing fluff. In my course, I go over the types of marketing that you can do, the types of advertising that you can do to get clients. I also go over the list of inventory products that you need and the ways that you can start up the business the quickest and easiest and fastest way and make money right away. So the second misconception that people have about starting a cleaning business is that you need a lot of inventory. I know we've seen it. There's lots of viral videos that go around about cleaning business owners and their inventory supply closet. And I mean, kudos to them. It's super organized. It's super neat. Like, it's my dream. But you don't need those things to start a cleaning business. You can have those things, but you don't need them. When I started my cleaning business, I had no products. I didn't even have a cleaning rag. I was in college, so I wasn't buying all that stuff. I was broke and I needed to make money. So the last thing I was going to do was spend a bunch of money to start making money. Not in college, I wasn't doing that. And I landed 7 clients and I didn't have to buy any products for any of them. So to me, one of the second biggest misconceptions is that you need to have a lot of cleaning products. You need to have mops, buckets, rags. You do not need to have those things. The clients will provide them for you. Now, I have been told that there's a lot of the younger generation that's looking for cleaning supplies and they don't have them and they actually do expect you to have them. But what you can do is just add that into the cost, pad their quote by $20, $25. I'm sure they have a vacuum. If they don't have a vacuum, use your vacuum. If they don't have a mop, use your mop. Tell them, I prefer to use cleaning rags that you have so that they stay in your home and I'm not bringing germs from someone else's house. I mean, when you word it that way, yeah, why would I want you to use rags from someone else's house? And if they want you to have cleaning products, don't tell them, okay, well, I'm going to charge you extra for that. Just say, okay, well, that will be included in the cost. So then you add $25. You don't have to go buy a ton of cleaning products. You need the staples, which would be some type of bleaching agent. You need a scrub brush. You need, I use lemon pine sol, but you could use a Fabuloso or Lysol. And you need soap and water, which I'm assuming they already have, and Windex. Or you can even buy vinegar instead. Vinegar's cheaper and it lasts longer. Those are the 4 products that you mostly need. And sometimes Barkeeper's Friend really would be helpful to have, but those products are going to cost you around $20, $25. And I would leave them at their house and use it just for them, leave it under their kitchen cabinet. And so you have the cleaning products there for them. Then you have another client that says the same thing to you. You pad that cost up by $20, $25. You buy the cleaning products, you keep it under their sink. So that is another myth, that you need to have all these cleaning supplies. I've seen videos where they show their rag system. I don't want to be negative. Well, I guess I am being negative, but the rag system to me, it's just not necessary. I don't clean anyone's toilets with rags. I think it's kind of gross. When you smear around rags, you're smearing around bacteria. So I use paper towels. So when you use paper towels, you don't really have to have a rag system, but I could be wrong. But like I said, if you do use rags, you're going to use rags and you're going to keep them at their house. And I would just make it very clear that we expect you to provide rags If I have to provide rags, that will be an additional cost. And we will leave those rags at your home for you. So that is one thing I would let them know. You're going to charge them extra for the rags, and you're going to leave them at their house. So essentially, they're paying extra, but it's for them. It's not like you're charging them extra and then keeping the rags and using them elsewhere. And I really think when you word it as we're trying to keep your germs in your home and not bring other germs into your home, most people will be receptive to that. The third myth that I find that I hear from a lot of people is that they think they need to have a social media presence. You do not have to post cleaning videos on social media in order to get clients. Why do I say that? 9 times out of 10, you are not paying for ads on social media. You can pay for ads and target a certain population. You could target a certain area, but 9 times out of 10, you're posting on social media and it's going like to other countries like Japan and Australia and England. They're not going to use your cleaning services. Yeah, it might make you feel better. And listen, as you start to build your business, you can start posting. You can post maybe 4 or 5 pictures, but you can use stock pictures for that. You don't have to post on social media to get clients. As a matter of fact, the days that I would try to record content of me cleaning, it slowed me down so much that I don't do it anymore because I want to get in and get out, get that job done. I'm not trying to post a bunch of content. Now, if you're looking to be an influencer, that's a totally different story. But if you're just looking to make money as a cleaning business owner in the cleaning business industry, you do not need to post on social media for that. Which brings me to my fourth point. You do not need a website to start a cleaning business. I'm not bragging, I'm just stating a fact. I did not have a website for like 13 years when I had a cleaning business. I just carried around business cards. And I would tell them, listen, I could have a website, I could have cars that have my business logo, I could have t-shirts that have my logo, I could have a fancy brochure for you, but all that does is take away money from my business, and that actually takes money out of my employees' pockets, and I prefer to hire better staff and give them more money. I said that every single time. Whenever someone questioned me, like, you don't have a website? Just because you don't have a business website does not mean you're not a business. Having a cleaning business means you have a customer and they pay you, period. You have a cleaning business. You don't need to be branded as a cleaning business. Now, as you look to scale and get larger, you would want a website. As you're looking to go into offices and start cleaning bigger projects, you would want a website. I was able to get commercial accounts without having a website. I still don't have a company website. I have a blog. My blog is more for social media. So when you Google me, you will find me on social media, but you're not going to find my business website because I don't have one, because I haven't needed one. Maybe I could have one now, but honestly, I would be paying for a website just for appearances so people can believe that I have a business. But you can Google me, my business name comes up. So I say all that to say, do not stress about starting a website, having a website. What you need are business cards. What you need are flyers. That's what you should focus on getting. And again, you don't even have to pay money to make flyers. You can make flyers in your home and print them off on your printer until you get 1 or 2 clients. Then after you have those 1 or 2 clients, then order some business cards online. I'm not even sure how much they cost anymore because I haven't ordered them in a while. I need to look into that, but that's what you can do. One of the last misconceptions you may have that may be preventing you from starting a cleaning business is that you need to be registered as an official business. It is wise to eventually register as an official business, but you do not need to be registered as an official business to start a cleaning business. Starting the cleaning business is the key. Start it. All the other things you can add. As you start to get bigger, as you start to add employees, you need insurance. You need workers' comp insurance. You need liability insurance. You need to be able to cover your staff in case they get injured. You need to be able to cover the home in case they break something in the home, but you don't have to start off that way. I'm talking about house cleaning. House cleaning, you do not have to start off having insurance. I bet you if you took a poll of people that hire cleaning ladies, ask them if they asked for their insurance certificate. They're just not. Now, is it always better to have insurance? Always. It's always better to have insurance. So I'm not telling you don't get insurance. and start a cleaning business and then you have a mishap and then you're looking at me side eye. However, you don't have to have insurance to start a cleaning business. So I hope this video was helpful in busting the myths of what you may think you need to start a cleaning business. It's really important that you just start it, because as you start it and start to grow, then you start to find out what it is that you need for a business. Now, if you're still a little hesitant and you're like, I don't know, I just want more information, I actually have some free downloadables in the link. If you click the link below, I have free resources for you. It will bring you to my cleaning course. It's called Cleaning Hustle. Clicking the link doesn't charge you anything, but you can read through it and see. It's a really, really good resource, and you will get your investment back in like less than a month, and maybe with your first client. In my cleaning course, I teach you how to market your services, where to market your services, the right types of clients to get for your specific needs. I also break down how to clean. There's cleaning videos and cleaning tutorials. I also break down the legalities of how to register when you're ready to register, the tax implications. I also go over customer service, how to handle customer problems. It's a really great course that I have designed with my 20 years of knowledge, and it's really a good way if you just want to kickstart your business and just go for it, but you feel a little nervous to do it, then this course will actually walk you step by step. And then I also have the option to book a call with me. So you could also get a consultation with me to go over your marketing plan. I have some success stories already, which I'm really excited about. I helped a student get an account. It was an $800 a month account. $800 in 1 month from one client. So like I said, all of that is found down in my link. And also, if you already have a cleaning business and you're looking to scale it to 6 figures, then I have a coaching program that is just tailor-made for you. It's one-on-one coaching, and I go over your cleaning business. We put a plan together. You have support from me helping you execute your plan so that you can start to grow your business. You may not be looking to scale it to 6 figures, but you might be looking to double your income. I also not only help you double your income, I help you double your income while working less. What I find is most cleaning business owners work too much. The goal is to work less physical work, more overseeing, but you need confidence to be able to do that. And in my program, I give you the confidence that you need. I give you the tools that you need so you can start to make your dreams come true, right? You started a cleaning business as a dream to make more money. You don't want to be bogged down making money, bogged down so much that you can't even enjoy the money that you're making. So all of that is in the link. And of course, last but not least, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with anyone that you think may need this advice, and would love for you to subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for now.